All right, well, good evening, and I'd like to extend my congratulations to the robotics community for the great job they're doing here at the Mount. When I first came to the Mount, Mr. Fell and the Parents Association that he was working with had the robotics lab in the basement of the convent, and that had a whole lot of plus and minuses. And how exciting it was when Sister Kathleen negotiated that the robotics could move into the basement of the school, and now it's a first-class lab. So special thanks to Mr. Eric Littner, to all the parents in the robotics, to the committee that helped him, to our vendors, and especially to Mrs. Soley, who really has brought the robotics to be a first-class team. To the students for all their hard work, I'm so proud of you. Go Mount.
We are so excited to announce the grand opening of our brand new renovated robotics shop. We are so thankful to the amazing administration, maintenance staff, and our very own mentors who made this entire dream come true. For years now, we've been hoping for this to become a reality, and it wasn't until this fall that it finally became possible. Though this has been in the plans for a while, it all had to start with a basic blueprint.
This past year, we have been thankful to receive guidance and design expertise from our mentor, Mr. Linder. With his help, we created a blueprint of the basement floor and turned it into the space it is today. With his mentorship, we also created a budget and a timeline to ensure we'd have a fully functioning shop before our build season started. This would not be possible without him and alongside many others, like Mr. Rossman and Mr. Prisdale.
The new renovation of the shop has provided so many opportunities for our team to expand and grow. Before the space upgrade, we could barely fit even 10 girls in the shop. Now, with a team of over 30 girls, we have enough space that each student can grow and work into their full potential. While our shop used to be tucked into a corner, now you can walk in the doors and see a beautiful representation of this program at the Mount.
My favorite part about the new shop is the new field area. In the old shop, we barely had room to fit any field elements, which made drive practice nearly impossible. Now, with the area outside the cage, we have room to fit a third of a field, and it's amazing.
For the programmers, this renovation was a game changer. Before the renovation, our sub-team used to sit on the floor, outside hallways, in classrooms, basically anywhere that wasn't in the shop. It was so cramped that it was impossible to work there. But now we have countless tables, open spaces, and organized cabinets, and our favorite part, the whiteboard, which is always full of auto programs, code, and anything else that we could need.
I may be a little biased, but the collaboration area is my favorite place in the new shop. Before, the awards team girls were known for finding any reason not to work in the cage, but now why wouldn't we want to? We have a huge collaboration table in the center of our shop where we can work to write our essays, plan our videos, and create so many amazing things. The business team also has a dedicated area with huge cabinet space for art supplies, spirit gear, and safety materials. But the best part of it all is that now the awards team can work side by side with our other Firebirds sub-teams.
Now the build side possibly had the biggest makeover, and I honestly couldn't be more excited. It's really been out with the old and in with the new. We bought brand new cabinets, tables, stools, and upgraded nearly every aspect of our area. We even added some new additions that include a robot parking garage and extendable electrical outlets all over the shop. An added bonus is the increase in space, and it really has allowed us to grow the build sub-team, and we've even been able to train about 10 new girls this season. With this renovation, we've really been able to build better robots and in the process build future leaders.
In the shop, I can watch the next generation of female engineers,
Artists,
Doctors,
biologists,
Nanoengineers,
aerospace engineers,
computer scientists,
teachers, actuaries,
mathematicians,
biomedical engineers,
physicists,
accountants,
architects,
journalists,
Surgeons,
lawyers,
CEOs,
leaders.
be inspired to design a more empathetic and compassionate world.